today is, let's look here, old Union 2177. Doesn't always work, a bit hit and miss. I'm working, so I'm going to replace it. Bit windy today. Head's gone on that one. So I'll take it off with a flat. Knock in there. Right. And then hopefully, there we go. That'll do. Right. Yep, that's it. 2.5 inch T177. I'm going to be replacing it with a ASEC Vital. Still another 3 lever. Tight. Oh, yeah, perfect. Key line up. Oh, a little bit out. A little bit out of the key line, so look. That's a great discussion. Wind. So I take discussion off and it's good. Yeah. Alright. Let's put the faceplate on. That mouse, it looks like it's got crease. Ooh. Ooh. That's because it's pulled it up on there. So it takes that. between them. There we go. That's better. Still stiff. Alright, when it's stiff, Locksmith's best friend is his hammer. So it's stiff. That's it. Perfect. Lovely jubbly. As I'm tapping, what it's doing is micro moving the plate. Now, hopefully, it lines up with the keep. No. Okay, it's out. That's a shame. So I'm going to have to fit the new key. There we go. The plate's much longer. I'll cover up some of the rubbish. And what I'll do, the way I'll fit the keep is check out the gap. That's tight, so it's going to be chopped in. I'll tell you what I'm going to do, just to be sure, is I'm going to just chisel this out down to where the bottom of the bolt is. And there's a reason why I'm doing this. Because I'm going to try the door and see if it goes into the hole. It's a bit tight, a bit too tight. I'm going to give it a bit of wiggle room for expansion. If you get a bit of swelling in the door, you want a bit of wiggle room. Alright, let's see how that goes. That's a bit better. Alright, so now I know that bottom of the plate is perfect. I can get my screw in. These are be brittle. Roll that to the bottom. That to the edge. I'm just going to put this screw in for now. Alright, that's pretty good. Now I'll put the top screw in. And I've done that. I'm going to scribe around. I'm scribe and just go from the edge to the centre, just past the centre, the same. nearly went over. Right. That's right. So, is it going to be the same width as mine? 3/4. Yeah. Oh, I've seen better days. Oh. Here we go. Right, hopefully that'll be perfect. Lovely. I think that's why I prefer scribing as opposed to pencil lines. And then, oh, look at that sticking out. Naughty, naughty. That's nice and flush. Still rotten. So there's that. I could maybe move it a little bit more that way, but that's done. So now discussion. And screws. Screws. Oh, don't tell me it's those screws. Oh, there they are. Panic over. Oh, look a little bit on the long. Excuse me. Look a little bit on the long side. 1, 2. Always keep these. Always handy. Discussion. You know what I'm going to do is I've got really thin. There you go. Use that as a bradawl. screwdriver. Wonder why it's slipping. Lovely. Done. Right. That's it. All we've got to do is pack up. Lovely.